Cambodia, the country of wonders, rich cultural, the great religious Hinduism, Buddhism, and the largest religious monument in this world. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today is Angkor, the Angkor Wat Temple, the one and the only one in this world. The brow of Cambodia, the Holy Land, the magic country, the jewel of Khmer civilization, and the best one, and only one uniquely in this world. I'm very excited and so proud to be here together with the Khmer local people to do a small contribution to this world in general, to have more understanding about the Khmer, about the great Khmer Empire, the wonderful, magical structure and architecture. The best all above. The Holy Land and the love of human life together with the natures and the beauty of the universe, the lotus, pure, sincere, the Mount Meru, the highest mountains, Everest, a part of Hinduism, in memories of Suryavarman II, the great Khmer king in this world. And Jayavarman VII. I bless this country with a beautiful sunny light over a part of Indo-Chinese peninsula. The awesome details, the gorgeous decoration of the Khmer architecture. Today is 11 July 2021. During the pandemic event, and especially in Phnom Penh, in Cambodia, the pandemic event community, 20 February, unstopped until this present. And I want to pray for all of you, for the world to have their best facing the life we are enjoying together. Most of the love from the kingdom the Khmer Empire, the Cambodian. I'm loved to be a black skin, dark skin. Some like the most of the Khmer people. Not only because of the body, the physical things have a common, but my heart, I feel like I'm a part of Khmer Jewish civilization. I love the corridors, the stupa, the sculpture remain. It's very sad because it's after the Pol Pot regime, the Khmer had destroyed many the stupa. So when you see some stupas, the sculpture without the hearts, you will understand and you will respect the Khmer people. They try all their best to keep the history for all of us to respect the moment life. Life is sometimes uneasy. It's hard to breathe sometimes, especially the days. And I hope everybody stays safe. Enjoy every precious moment. Angkor, the one and the only one in this world, the Khmer civilization jewel. We need to respect the Khmer Empire, respect the ancestor has doing in this world, the beautiful way they keep for us, and we still protect it.